After the hurricane, we experienced a lot of broken trees, debris, and persons experience a lot of limited access to paths, routes, roads, homes were destroyed. So all the debris laying around the school and the playground, we want to ensure that those are cleared so they can have a safe space for playing.
Hurricane Melissa has left us with a lot of debris all over the communities. The amount of zinc and wire and all of that is left, the debris that is all over, it endangers the children and the older people.
We have heard the cry in terms of the strain that is being placed on our respective disposal sites because of Hurricane Melissa. So because of that, we're trying to see how best we're able to recycle and reuse. What we have even done is to brought on a recycling organization to provide technical guidance and support to assist these organizations to fully understand how best they can utilize the means of debris to create other items and materials that can serve the community. We do hope in this phase 2, we will be piloting a recycling initiative within the Petersfield space, and that partnership will be through one of our recycling partners called 360 Recycling.
My name is Shahid Cole. I am from 360 Recycle Manufacturing. We're doing the 5-stage recycling effort here, which is collecting, sorting, and then we will be processing and hopefully manufacturing. And the last out of that will be the resale, which is to add some sort of revenue generation to the community members.
This phase of the program could not have been possible without the CARICOM Development Fund.